Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you are tired of your phone feeling cluttered with pop-ups, trackers, and intrusive ads that drain both your battery and your patience, you are in the right place. Today, we are installing StevenBlock on your rooted Android phone. Think of this not just as an ad blocker, but as your new digital guardian. What makes StevenBlock different is that it is a system-level module. Unlike standard ad blocking apps that run constantly in the background and eat up your RAM, StevenBlock modifies your system host's file directly. This means it works silently with zero battery drain and offers total protection across your entire device, including inside your apps. Whether you're using Magisk, KernelSU, or APatch, this module integrates seamlessly. It is also smart enough to keep your essential communication apps like WhatsApp and LinkedIn working perfectly while filtering out the junk. You even get full control to choose your protection level, from lightweight lists to aggressive shields. It has been exactly 1 minute, so let's get this installed on your phone. First, make sure your device is rooted and you have the StevenBlock zip file downloaded to your internal storage. Go ahead and launch your Root Manager application right now. For most of you, this will be Magisk app, but the steps are identical if you're using KernelSU or APatch. Look for the Modules tab, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap on it. Next, select the big button that says Install from Storage. Browse through your file manager and select the StevenBlock zip file you just downloaded. Once you tap it, the flashing screen will appear. Now, do not put your phone down because you need to pay close attention here. You will see a text menu appear on the black command screen asking you to choose your shield. Since this is a script-based installer, you need to use your physical volume buttons to make your selection. Press the volume up key to toggle through the different Blocklist options. You will see options like StevenBlock Unified, which is great for general use, or the Energized series. Energized Spark is perfect if you have an older phone and need speed, while Energized Ultimate provides the heaviest protection against malware domains. Take a moment to decide which one fits your needs. Once the text on the screen highlights the list you want, press the other volume key to confirm that selection. The script will now write the specific host files to your system partition. This might take a few seconds. Once the process hits 100% and you see the Done message at the bottom, go ahead and tap the Reboot button. When your phone turns back on, the installation is complete. There is no app icon to look for in your app drawer because StevenBlock is already running deep in the system, protecting every connection you make. You can now open your favorite apps or browser and enjoy a much cleaner, faster experience. That is all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.